For 1967, you have truck features and details that can produce a profitable sales picture if you put them into sharp focus for your prospect. Take the El Camino for 1967. Restyled radiator grille, front bumper, front fenders, and hood panel point up the new look for 1967. A close-up from this angle shows the all-new bumper with integral backup lights. Custom models are further embellished at the rear through use of wood-like grain trim on the tailgate. Inside, steering wheels for 1967 are deep-dish three-spoke design with a central horn button for standard models. Buttons integrated in right and left-hand spokes are used for custom models. The instrument panel features new trim with new low-silhouette control knobs. Sport van and Chevy van models feature a totally new front end that not only provides a fresh look but also reduces wind resistance, providing greater economy along with better performance. Many new features are concentrated in and around the grille area. Many additional new features can be seen in this rear view: nameplate, tail and backup lights, bumper and license light. Backup lights are flush-mounted for increased protection. Inside, the instrument panel is restyled. The lip is padded on all models, and the remainder of the crown has a non-glare paint finish. Control knobs are of the flat type. All front seats, except the RPO folding passenger seat for the Chevy van, are of the bucket type. Nowhere else does newness stand out more than in the all-new cabs used on all 10 through 60 conventional models. The new conventional cab for Series 10, 20, and 30 models has a 106.3-inch bumper to back of cab dimension. Series 40, 50, and 60 have a 96-inch BBC with full bumper protection to front-end sheet metal. All Series 70 and 80 cabs retain the 92-inch BBC dimension. All models with the 96-inch cab have 8-inch shorter wheelbase. Since the cab-to-axle dimension remains the same, the result is a shorter turning radius and overall length. The torsional or twisting strength of this new cab is high with double-wall roof and cowl design, plus one-piece construction for such components as rear cross sill, plenum panel, and transmission cover. Both the inner roof and cab rear panels are heavily embossed for maximum strength and rigidity. The new cab features high-level ventilation with a larger plenum chamber, affording increased airflow for greater comfort and improved heater performance. The dash assembly is welded in for added structural strength with an overhanging crown to improve instrument readability. All control knobs are flat. Non-glare paint and padding are used on the instrument panel crown. Windshield glass area is increased by 116 square inches. Plate glass used in the windshield has a thick laminate for greater strength. Seat trim design is all new with embossed all-vinyl trim standard, cloth and vinyl trim for the custom comfort option. Front door inner panels and window regulator control handles are newly styled, and energy-absorbing steering wheels with flat horn buttons are standard. Fuel tank mounting has been improved by bolt attachment to the cab at the tank top and bottom. The tank is positioned farther to the left to provide space for storing the jack. Optional front seat shoulder harness equipment can be attached to the floor panel and cab rear panel. New rotary gear type door locks for Series 10 through 60 provide greater reliability and convenience. Sill-mounted push buttons prevent accidental door opening. All steel hinges are butt type for strength. The new door check, built into the upper hinge, permits the door to be checked in any position. For Series 10 through 30 models, new conventional cabs are about 2 inches lower, but retain virtually the same generous headroom as last year. There's easier entrance and exit with 1 inch lower seat-to-ground height. Series 10 through 30 cab models have padded sunshades and padded instrument panels. There are also added new features you can focus on in Series 40 through 60 models. Improved forward visibility with new lower hood line, which permits the driver to see the road 5.5 feet closer. Overall height is 6 inches lower than in former LCF cabs, and interior dimensions are identical to those for light-duty cabs. And for the first time, new color-keyed interiors for all conventional cabs, Series 10 to 60. With 4 new interior colors and 4 new exterior colors, your sales job will be a lot easier. In addition, optional custom appearance equipment is available in Series 10 through 60 models. Interior items include bright Chevrolet nameplate for dispatch box doors and inserts for instrument panel control knobs. Color-keyed vinyl-coated rubber floor mats bring new color harmony and brilliance to cab interiors. On the outside, the optional custom appearance items include bright grille panel and windshield reveal moldings, bright headlight bezels, custom emblem on the front door, and bright front door ventipane frames and posts. Bright rear window moldings are available with the panoramic rear window option. All Series 10 through 60 models have improved corrosion resistance. New fender skirts protect fenders and other sheet metal components better. Reinforced hood panels are of one-piece construction. Relocation of the parking lights from the hood prevents moisture from collecting in seams. There are new looks and new appeal in a new light-duty option you can focus on for more sales. The new custom sport truck option includes items from the custom appearance, comfort, and convenience packages, plus special CST emblems on the front doors and chrome front bumper. It's available on Series 10 through 30 conventional cabs, fleet sides, and step side pickups. On the inside, this new option includes appearance, comfort, and convenience package items, plus vinyl-trimmed bucket seats, padded center console, and full luxury depth carpeting, and also bright frames for the brake and accelerator pedals. Bucket seat equipment, including center console and carpeting, is available as a new option for all conventional cab Series 10 through 30 models. Pickups get a new look in boxes. Fleet-side pickup boxes are all new for 1967, with all-steel construction for economy and durability. Side panels feature full double-walled construction for even more rigidity and durability. One-piece outer side panels with wraparound ends improve corrosion resistance. The double-wall tailgate has only one seam, which is protected. Underbody protective coating on the wheel housings and lower sidewalls also help prevent corrosion, while wheel housings have new flat tops for greater utility and convenience. All new fleet-side tailgates can be opened or closed with one hand. Mechanical spring-loaded latches replace hooks, and hinged steel support straps replace chains. Anti-spread wedges on the tailgate provide extra side panel support when the tailgate is closed. Step-side pickups feature newly styled fenders and running boards for 1967, reflecting the lines of new cab and sheet metal. Wood and steel skid strip floors continue to be standard on step sides, optional on fleet sides. New four-wheel drive models are 5 inches lower for 1967 for better appearance. Lower center of gravity provides better stability and handling. However, road clearance remains at a generous 12.5 inches. Transfer case is bolted directly through an adapter to the transmission case, eliminating the need for an intermediate propeller shaft, reducing overall height and number of parts to service. Also, new tapered leaf front and rear springs provide a better ride. Power steering is now available on four-wheel drive models. This reduces transfer of off-road wheel shock and front-end torque to the steering wheel. For 1967, a new dual master cylinder brake system with warning light is standard for Series 10 through 30 models, including forward controls, plus El Camino. Most Series 10 through 60 models have new turn signal switches with a lane change position, and all have a four-way hazard warning flasher. A new optional speed warning device is also available. Wiring harness improvements for all models include a fusible link, which provides increased overload protection for all circuits not protected by fuses, except the starting motor. All models also have horn relays located inside for better protection. In addition, school bus models feature 100-amp wiring along with the fusible link as standard. For still greater protection, a bodybuilder's junction block has been relocated inside. At the top of the line, Series 70 and 80 meet a wide variety of heavy-duty hauling needs, with GVW ratings up to 48,000 pounds, GCW ratings to 65,000 pounds. Conventional models have non-glare instrument panel paint, passenger guard front door locks, and instrument panel pad and padded sunshades optional. Light, medium, or heavy duty, there's a new look of quality and saleability in your 1967 Chevrolet truck line. Modern design with greater strength, corrosion resistance, more comfort and convenience in every detail, inside and outside. Show prospects what lies underneath, the meaning in terms of operator wants and needs. Focus sharply on every new Chevrolet truck feature for more truck sales in 1967.